I'm Executive Chef Cody at Takibi, here cooking and camping with Snow Peak. All right, so we're gonna make the Gomaae or sesame salad. This is something that we're doing at Takibi at the moment, seasonally for spring. So put a little bit of the sesame dressing in the plate and add my greens. All I'm gonna do is just kind of toss the dressing into the greens lightly, making sure that it's not getting like compressed or anything, but just kind of folding it in. And then the salad, plate in this bowl here. And we've got some miso pickled carrots that we're gonna add as well. And then we've got some gobo that we've fried, pretty much shaved really thin and fried quickly, salted after we fried them, and that's just gonna add a little bit of crunch and a little bit of salt. That's pretty much it.